Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are going to learn about some professional English words which we can use in our school or maybe for a job interview. So our first word is purchase. Purchase means kharidna. We can use it instead of buy. And second word is trade, which means tijarat, but you can use it instead of sell. Third word is assist. We can use it instead of help, and we can also use assistant instead of helper. The fourth word is inquire, which we can use instead of ask, and the fifth word is inform, which we can use instead of tell. The sixth word is um, require, which we can use instead of need, and the next word is provide, which we can use instead of give. And next word is commence, which we can use instead of start. The ninth word is conclude, which we can use instead of end, or end of any like thing we are doing any presentation or anything which we can use, and then conclude. And next word is verify. We can use it instead of check. Next word is resolve, which we can use instead of fix. And the next word is utilize, which you can use instead of use. And next word is consider, which we can use instead of think. And the next word is obtain, which we can use instead of get. And 15th word is retain, which we can use instead of keep. And next word is contact, we can use it instead of call. And 17th word is execute, which we can use instead of do, or like we can make a sentence like we are executing a program when you're doing something. And 18th word is demonstrate, which we can use instead of show.